Move comes as the Trump administration is defending what many see as a human rights abuse in our own country, taking thousands of children away from their parents in immigration facilities. Today, Florida Senator Bill Nelson and South Florida Congressman Debbie Wasserman Schultz went to a detention facility south of Miami in Homestead, where as many as 1,000 kids are inside. But as reporter Garrett Taney shows you, the senator and the congresswoman were not allowed in, and Trump now claims he doesn't agree with this part of his own policy.
We want to solve this problem. We want to solve family separation. I don't want children taken away from parents.
President Trump is doubling down on his assertion that his options are limited when it comes to illegal immigration. During a speech to a small business group in Washington, the president urged Congress to approve another solution, allow officials to detain children and their parents together as a family unit.
We want to end the border crisis by finally giving us the legal authorities and the resources to detain and remove illegal immigrant families altogether and bring them back to their country.
The White House is under mounting pressure to reverse an immigration enforcement policy that has led to the separation of more than 2,300 migrant children from their families in recent weeks. But the president is blaming Democrats for failing to fix the issue.
There's simply no law that says we have to separate children. This is a policy decision.
The president does have the power right now to reverse the policy that he put in place 6 weeks ago.
But acting ICE Director Thomas Homan defended the president's stance.
People can come to this country and claim asylum, but they got to do it through the system and not sneak across the border and tie Border Patrol agents up dealing with that when drugs and weapons are being smuggled in other parts of the corridor.
Now, the House is expected to vote later this week on a pair of immigration proposals, and a lot of House Republicans are urging the president to help them find some kind of legislative solution. Governor Rick Scott, who's known as a big supporter of President Trump, has provided this statement on family separation today. He claims that what the country is witnessing right now is the byproduct of many years of bipartisan inaction and failure from our federal government, he claims. He says that they have failed to secure our borders, which has resulted in this chaos. I do not favor separating families. Anyone seeking to enter our country illegally needs to be sent back, with the exception of those who are truly seeking asylum from an oppressive regime.